Hi viewers, this is Veterville. Today we can discuss about how to integrate with your Power BI report into your customer service hub. Let's begin. Open your customer service hub. So here you can go to the settings, click advanced settings and go to the administration. In administrator you can click the system settings. So switch to reporting. You can see here you have the option allow the Power BI visualization embedding. So by default this option is no, you need to enable this option. Click the yes and OK. So now we have enabled the Power BI reporting option in the instance. Now go to the Power BI account and here you get the app. Here you need to search the customer service. So now you can see here the customer service analytics for the Dynamic 365. So you can get the application from your app source and get now. Click the get it now. Now you can install the customer service analytics apps. So once the application installed in Power BI account, you need to get the data from your CRM. So you need to just connect your data. Here you need to connect your instance. So go to your instance and click the settings and go to the developer option. Click the customization and choose the developer resource. Copy the service route URL and paste your report section. So here you need to paste. So if you want you can reduce the month. I am going to default. Click advanced settings. So the refresh rate it automatically it will occur, otherwise you need to schedule the refresh. So just click next and choose the authentication type is basics. Type your username and password. So I'm going to type in my email ID. Password. So choose the privacy level is organizational or private. So sign in. So I have given the basic authentication, it is not taken. So after I given the OAuth, it is automatically taken. So now the instance is connected with my report. So you can see here the incoming cases is 3 and active cases are so 3. So you can see here that the same we having the 3 cases only. So if you want make the customization in the report section, so this is the summary section. So number of the incoming cases and active cases, this is the agent based on the, so how many support engineer in your organization is having, the detailed report details. So you can see here the case title, the case number, the priority. So just to scroll down, go to your apps, go to your workplace and choose the customer service analytics. So this is a dashboard section. So go to the data sets and here go to the settings, schedule the refresh date. You can schedule the refresh time. So if you daily or choose the another time, so if you want to daily in the 9 o'clock, you can set the refresh timing. So just daily it will 9 o'clock it will refresh. So just minimize. Now you are going to connect your the dashboard in instance. So go to the dashboard section in left hand side and click new, and you can see here the dashboard, Power BI dashboard. Previously you having the dynamic dashboard only, now you have the Power BI dashboard. So now you can sign in your Power BI account and go to see your application. This is a customer service analytics. So click the Power BI dashboard section. So now you can see here the my workplace. So you can see here this is the customer service analytics. So this dashboard we have published in the Power BI account. Just click OK. So like that you can able to attach your Power BI dashboard into your instance. I don't have the Power BI Pro account, that's why the report not displaying here. So like that you can integrate with your Power BI dashboard in CRM. Thanks for watching.